I'm feeling a quick fire. All right, 500-degree Fahrenheit, Kettle Joe, rocking and rolling, cast iron pan. Let's make shrimp tacos.
Dang, okay.
Let's do it. Let's do it. I've got a pan going. Check it out. And it's hot. It's rolling. Probably about 500 degrees.
Yeah, it's smoking.
It's smoking. So first thing I want to do, I've got some cabbage, I've got some onions. That's going to be my base. So not too thin. We're go for cabbage, but not too thin, because we still want a little bit of a bite, and that's just going to go right in the bottom. Did I mention this was a quick fire?
Wow.
We're in. We're going.
I was going to say, like, you're right into it already.
Yeah. I'm excited about this. So we have this at the house probably once a month. This is a really fun, family-friendly dish that gets the kiddos eating shrimp. I love it. And mix that up a little bit. Let's do a little more onion. You could even throw apples in if you wanted to. It would be fun in this dish. I've never done that before, but onions. And I'm thinking, because this is gonna be the base of our taco, let's put a little more cabbage in there. And now we're gonna season with our Lane's Barbecue Chili Lime. And I love this stuff. It is sweet, sour, salty, spicy.
That's delicious.
It is. A little bit of oil to promote even cooking.
And that thing is screaming.
It's screaming. Now we're gonna return it back to the grill, because our first ingredient is charcoal. I'm not saying we're putting charcoal in there. I'm saying we're going to pick up the natural lump charcoal flavor. Dome down. We're rolling. We're rolling. Okay, let's make a little room on this cutting board. 21, 25 shrimp. And we don't want these tails. You know what drives me crazy? You know what really grinds my gears?
What?
When you go to a restaurant and they leave the tails on, whether it's like a fettuccine alfredo or a shrimp skewer or a shrimp taco. Yeah, it looks pretty, but now I gotta touch my food and pull those tails off. So we're gonna make it easy on everybody today. We're gonna go ahead and they're peeled, deveined, and they've got the tails off. And then we're just gonna mix it gently with the Chipotle sauce. So we're making Chipotle marinated shrimp. All right, peeled, deveined, and tailed. Now let's mix in our Chipotle and Adobo. And I got chopped up, it says diced Chipotle peppers, so I don't even have to put a knife to it or get on a cutting board, just right on. It's gonna bring some smokiness. Now, Chipotles are just smoked jalapenos in adobo sauce, so we're gonna get this earthy, smoky, spicy sensation. That's kind of the color consistency I'm looking for.
It smells amazing already.
Dude, it does, right? And it's just screaming for the garnishes. It's screaming for cilantro, avocado, queso fresco, limes, and I love the mini street tacos. All right.
Cute.
We'll top over here, give our cabbage onion mixture a little bit of a twirl. Oh yeah. And we're just softening this stuff. That's good. Little caramelization on everything. That's gonna sweeten those onions up a little bit. You smell the charcoal. Oh yeah. We're gonna add our Chipotle shrimp right on top of the bed of onions and cabbage, and just spread it out evenly. Now you could add a wood chunk if you wanted even more smoke on this, but that is all we want right there. Let's close the dome, and we're gonna let those shrimp cook with the residual heat of the grill and get that beautiful natural lump charcoal flavor. Onions are caramelizing, shrimp is cooking, the Chipotle is mixing with the cabbage. Everything is happening under this dome right now. Nothing else to do except enjoy the aromas and each other's company. All right, it's been 4 minutes. Let's take a look. I am loving what I'm seeing. Now I'm just gonna mix everything up, remove from the grill. I told you this was a quick fire.
You're not kidding.
Our Chipotle and adobo, caramelized onions, and cabbage have just kind of all made this. It's not even a sauce, right? But it's just, look at the moisture content on there. So you can imagine that is now your taco filling. So I'm gonna warm these tortillas up slightly on the grill just to wake them up. I always do that, right? These are flour tortillas. Use corn if you like, but for me, the kiddos for some reason gravitate towards the flour. I like to kind of assembly line this stuff, get it sorted out this way. We're gonna go in with a little bit of our topping here. Oh yeah. right in the center. And I go with a little more than you probably should.
I'm going. I'll eat all that.
Yeah, we get a little. Yeah, let's make sure we get some shrimp in there too. My goodness. Let's gun for 3. These are mini tacos, but let's do 3 shrimp roux per. I think that's a nice little number. My goodness, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Let's go with a little queso fresco. If it falls on the board, that's okay. Just work.
Make the board your serving platter.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Let's go with some cilantro. And I work with the stem. I think it's a-okay. Bit of avocado here. Yeah, that avocado brings that creamy texture. That's just so nice. And I just want to do little fans. So I'll cut that in half. Slice little fans with the tip of that knife there while it's in my palm, not cutting through the husk of the avocado. And then we'll give it a little peek right there. Look at that. Right on top. Maybe sneak it under that cilantro. There we go. Come on, chef. So if that adobo is too hot, the chipotles are too spicy for you, you know, you can go without it. You can just use a little bit more of that chili lime seasoning. A little bit of fresh lemon juice while it's roasting is nice often as well. And let's hit it with just a little bit of lime juice. That's cool. And let's finish it with a little bit of chili lime right on top. Just for that pow, 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 pow. And that is what's up. Oh my gosh.
Cows are getting excited. You hear them?
I'm getting excited. Let's give them something to talk about.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Every meal should be this simple and this good, right? This is just instant access to home run flavors. I gotta do a second bite. Wow. Big, bold, beautiful flavors. A little sweat on this bald head. Yeah, the heat level's right for me. You tone it back a little bit or bulk up the queso fresco or the brightness with the lime to kind of cool that down. It's just fantastic. There's no wrong time for this taco. Like just superb. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, do leave us a comment. We love seeing those. And as always, oh man, I'm still going about it. From our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.